Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern and creative poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open the Layer panel, and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using Confidel regular font. Apply the white color to it. Press Ctrl+T, and adjust its size, and place it in the center. Then press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Double-click on it, and edit the text. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Drag it downward, and set it to the size of top text. Right-click on it, and choose Distort. And drag it upward. Right-click again, and choose Perspective. And drag it from the corner. Then add a layer mask to it. Select the Gradient tool. Use these settings. And apply it from the bottom. Now, go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and place. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Then add a layer mask to it. Follow my other text settings. Now, add the image shadow. Select the image layer, press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. And delete layer mask. Select the Lasso tool, and make a selection of shadow. Press Ctrl+J. And delete the image layer. And change its blend mode to hard light. Go to the image menu, Adjustments, and then Levels. Use these settings. And hit OK. Add layer mask. Go to the brush tool, and erase the extra part. Select Gradient Layer. And create a blank layer. Go to the brush tool, use these settings. And apply like this. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.